Guess what? I actually made a scattered Buddha head from the Longmen Grottoes, a 3D printed version. The reason I made this is because every time I stand at the Longmen, I see those incomplete statues. We can only glimpse their former glory through old photographs. I wondered, could we add another dimension to the visual experience to see them more truly? And well, we happen to have a 3D printer. So we searched across the country and finally found one.
会不会是这慈宁宫啊？
A bhikkhu statue in the Palace Museum. It originally came from the Wanfu cave at Longmen. We collected the data, processed it all with software, and with every adjustment of a surface parameter, it felt like we were talking to artisans from 1500 years ago. When the printer nozzle finished its last rotation, amid the mechanical sounds of industrial beauty, the dust of 1,000 years embraced the material of the future. You know, in the digital world, it fits perfectly into the cracks of the Longmen cliff. At the moment, it strikes me, maybe beauty of technology is it lets interrupted conversation begin again. So you see, as long as the data keep flowing, civilization will never truly scatter. And all of this you see today, we call it digital homecoming.